Welcome to Clarinet Tech Module 4, where today we'll talk about the chromatic scale, some alternate fingerings for the chromatic scale so it sounds better, and we're going to play it. So we're specifically talking about the Chalumeau chromatic scale. So just that register from low E to throat B flat, the B flat directly in the middle of the staff. So what is a chromatic scale? Chromatic scale goes from a note chromatically up to another note and then either back down, or that's the scale. So chromatically, that means doing every single note in between those two notes. So you're going to go up by half steps or down by half steps. So we're going to go over clarinet fingerings with specific alternate fingerings for the chromatic scale. So for low E, it is best to do both pinkies. So we have this one on the E lever, and then your right pinky on the E pinky key. Then going up to E sharp, F, you pick up, before, this is the low F key, pinky key, right? If you look at the fingering chart, it's the bottom right one. So if you look at the clarinet, it's the bottom right one. Then E, F, and then F sharp, you do the F sharp left hand pinky key. That is that. Then we have G as usual, G sharp, A flat, A as usual, B flat as usual. Then for B natural, instead of going to B natural like this, we do B flat and you add the little sliver key, or otherwise known as the banana key. This little sliver key here. You play it with your third finger, or excluding your thumb, 1, 2, 3, your ring finger. And this allows the chromatic scale to be more fluid and less choppy, because B flat to B, you're switching your fingers, and that can be very difficult and not as fast as the sliver key. Continuing up, C sharp. It's kind of like, this is a flute, A flat is the closest pinky key on the left hand. D, then D sharp, E flat, we use this side key here, which your pointer finger and your right hand hits, the very bottom one. Yep, there we go. E, pinch E, 1 and 2. F, just your thumb. Then F sharp, instead of doing thumb for F, F sharp for pointer, we keep the thumb down for F, and then you add the bottom two right hand side keys to do F sharp, G flat, F sharp. G as usual, G sharp, A flat, doing the side throat key here, played with this part of your pointer finger by your knuckle. This is first and second. Then A with the front throat key, also played with your knuckle of your pointer finger. And then B flat, you add the register key, A, B flat. So let's give it a play. And then I'll stand up and show the fingerings a second time. chair. I forgot to add, for the low E, F, and F sharp, you can keep down this pinky for all three notes. So you can go low E, low F, low F sharp, or both for E, right for F, left for F sharp. Yes, that works out. Okay, I hope you had fun playing the Chalumeau Chromatic Scale on the clarinet.